What? Oh, great. That was a great shot.
Oh, my God.
Just so you know, this is what the cats do when they don't get fixed. You should hear her. She's like, she's taking her paws in her. She's moving around.
God, this is not normal.
Poor cat.
Oh my God.
I gotta email this to America's Funny Videos.
You actually should.
Actually, yeah, I need more light. Get in the light.
Get in the spotlight.
Oh my God, you should see this on here. She's whacking out. Now my foot's in the picture.
Pretty pink.
Oh God, get away from my foot. Makes her stop. I can't see you. You're in darkness. There. Your brother was blocking the light. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing, sweetheart? What? What?
She's
Are you getting a charge out of this? There's a battery charger.
She's starting to get
She's getting all charged up. See, there's a battery charger there.
And she's blowing something up.
Look at her. Look at how she moves. I like to see her move. Move your foot.
Oh my God!
Move your foot. I like to see her move. No. I like to see her move. Go ahead. Go ahead, little girl. What's the matter?
Should I do it?
What's the matter? What? No. Get your foot out of the picture. Hey. What?
This is disgusting. It looks right on it. What?
What? Ready, set, go? Ready? Set, go! She does. She moves every time I say. Now you're going. You're a little bit too late. Thanks for licking my toes. I like that. It feels gross. Ready? Set. Go!
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh. I hear her. Ready? Set. Go! What? Meow it. Oh, she just kissed it. Hey. What? Talk. Talk to me. Papa would say that. Talk to me. Talk to me.
Should I get the laser light and show that on video too?
Talk to me. Wait. Now I'm in your light. Talk to me, little girl. Talk. What's the matter?
Speak.
What's the matter? What's the matter, sweetheart? Huh? Oh, now you're talking. Now I'm walking away. There's Jonathan, the back of him. We just had pizza with a lot of garlic butter. Real garlic. That's why the cat's going nuts. It's an aphrodisiac.
Let's show the laser light on this.
Okay.
Her most recent action.
Oh, she just wasn't into that.
Do you love me?
She's not following it. She's too goofy. Look at her, she's too goofy. We gotta do it when she's ready. Not now. Okay. Say bye. Say bye, everybody. Oh, that's cute. I have to say that's cute. That's the best video right there. Oh my god, that's great. Aw, down her level. Just don't use the camera. That's got a lens on it. No.
Put it on the ground. Let's see what it looks like on the ground. Oh God. What the heck was that?
That wasn't, just for the record, it wasn't Jonathan, it was not me who made that noise. Do you love Mommy? Do you love Mommy? No? Do you love anybody?
No, you're mean.
You see it? Put it towards the camera so her eyes look up. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. I'm using all my memory up. Come on. Come on, go get it. Go get it, hurry up. Go get it. Get it, hurry up. Get it. Don't shine it in there.
Too slow. Too slow. Highlight. Too slow. She just keeps moving.
Smell something funky. Cute.
We have that. I'm looking
around.
This is gonna be an awesome video.
Doesn't it stink down there?
Yeah, 'cause you're on it.
Right. No. Don't do that.
It's fun. Ow! Hurry up to me.
Where is she?
Ow.
Fun, I'm gonna stop this video. It's forever. It's a 10-minute video. Mail it to your dad right away. This is what we're doing. Playing with the kitty cat.
If you do this a lot of times, she thinks it goes away or something. Watch this. Oh my gosh.
Is she there? Yeah. Okay, no more. I'm going to turn this off now, okay? Bye!
Ow, bye! Bye! I love you people. Well, that's technically me, so. I love you. Telling me.